Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Let's quickly cover sand because sand is just sitting at these levels at 260s, 270s. That's what it's doing, going up and down. Now with sand, we know this in the past. Let's just analyze sand really quickly. We had this support for this area, okay, and then we had this lower highs formation. Sand broke down towards the downside and then it had a price target, and you can see we came here and met it, and got support at the 0.618 level over here, okay, where the green line is. And then now you can clearly see this point and these points over here, okay. We have lower highs formation and then we have this area of support, okay. Now you can see that this is also a taking a shape of a descending triangle, okay. Now this is a bearish pattern, no doubt about that, but and you can see this falling wedge formation coming towards the downside, okay. And usually they do break towards the upside, but again within there's a descending triangle pattern, okay. Now all we need to do is break this area of resistance, okay. Once we do this, okay, that means this, and then come back, maybe find support and then go up, then we have just invalidated this pattern, okay. Now as you can see, once this support got broken right over here, this support went up, came down, and then we came retested it, we couldn't break it, then price came down, okay. So this was the confirmation. Now same thing, we have this support over here. If the price breaks, it is going to take a drastic pull towards the downside and then come up, retest, something very similar here. But I'm not saying it will break this support because it is holding it at the moment. Because if you go to the weekly time frame, okay, you can see we are still intact with this support, okay, in the weekly, and you could go in the monthly. You could always move this area of support until unless you have two good connect points, and you can see we do have this, so we can always move it around until the connection is there, okay. So you can see we still have these connect points, one, two, not over here, but here we are right at it. So we are still in this, falling wedge formation, which is a good thing. Okay. Now it doesn't mean if we broke it, we are going towards the zero. No, but we might, come a little bit down, find support, and then make some new patterns. Okay, that's what that means. So here in the daily time frame, okay, I want you to analyze something, this area over here and then this area over here, okay. These two areas are very similar area within this falling channel, okay. Now if you bring out your EMAs, you can see the price is below the EMAs, okay. And if you come over here now, okay, and just take a look when we were here, right over here, because the RSI is telling us a different story. Okay, when we were right over here, okay, we had this area of support. You can see the price was coming down, 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 momentum is falling, okay, and then the price broke. But here at this area of support, we have a bullish divergence that taking place in the daily time frame, and this is a very positive and good sign actually for the price. Okay, the momentum is actually picking up. Okay, maybe this was the last or something, maybe a last retest to the support, because this is the 0.618 support line, okay. Also this low over here, okay. So the momentum is picking up, the stochastic RSI at the moment is bottomed out in the daily, so maybe there's a big rally coming, or because you can see the pattern, this let me take this off, you can see this pattern the RSI is making a beautiful, descending uh, triangle pattern. Okay, where it's just doing this within this pattern. Okay, and you can see last time we were here. Okay, here. Take this off. Take this. Okay. Okay, now you can see it better. So you can see last time we were right over here. Okay, we were coming down, okay? And the RSI was going up until unless you made this bullish divergence here and the price popped towards the upside, okay? You can see what happened. Now here, when we hit the top, we were right over here, okay? Now we are at the bottom, okay? So I think there will be a little bit of a consolidation coming until unless Bitcoin stays where it is and just builds its momentum towards the upside because Bitcoin is at its very solid support at the moment, okay? We might see something like these coming, okay? See, look, these rallies, same way it was bottomed out, and then we had this rally. Now, if we are right over here, we might consolidate for a second and then might break this one and one final last final time, okay? So this is actually a very good sign in the daily time frame, okay? And even if you go in the weekly time frame, they're not looking bearish, they're looking bullish in a way because until or unless you break the bullish divergence, okay? Like if you in the daily time frame you break this level of support, you go towards the downside, then it's not a bullish divergence anymore. Because if you lose this low over here, okay? Let me just point. If you lose this low over here, you come here, break this low, then the bullish divergence is finished, okay? Now, if you go in the weekly, you can clearly see, uh, okay, we are still in this beautiful pattern, and we after the price dropped over here to 263, it has been coming up, okay? So keep an eye on this, okay? It's still making good patterns and still in this falling channel until unless you break this support, break this long-term trend support and that support, okay? So keep an eye on this, and this is it for Sand today. Hopefully this brought you some new information, and if you're liking this kind of video, guys, kindly hit the like button so I can keep on making these videos and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.